Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a new TikTok account. So first, make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. First thing, we need just to go to the TikTok and I'm just going to log out for this video so I can show you how to create a new account. I'm logging in out and create logout, and now we need to create a new account. So let's just add another account or just click on sign up at the bottom here. You click sign up, and then you can either easily continue with Google or Apple, Facebook, or any Twitter, any other accounts. So it will synchronize the automatically the data or the informations like your name, username, also the birth date and other informations, or you can start from scratch by using your phone or email. I'm going to use email for example, and you can check this one if you want. Then you add your Gmail or Hotmail, whatever was the domain of your email. You go, for example, for anything, click on next, and then you give it a password. They detected my email, so let's just have it something like that. Let's see. So you detect a new password, click next, birthday date, next again, and you will have your accounts that will be created after adding a nickname. So let's just add a nickname, and that's it. You have your own account now. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.